Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, dear students of first year class. Today we are going to discuss about the carbon. Students, first of all, we were studying about the organic compounds. Organic compound or biological molecules. Biological molecules or organic compounds are in fact the compounds which are made up of carbon. So chemistry of living things is also known as carbon chemistry or biochemistry. Biochemistry is the chemistry of living things. Now what are the organic compounds? In my previous lecture I told you the definition of organic compound, the compound which are made up of carbon. Carbon is the basic element of organic compounds. Other elements like hydrogen, oxygen may also be present. So the compounds which are made up of carbon are known as organic compound. All organic compound has carbon as a backbone. Why only carbon is used as the backbone, or why only carbon is the important element of the organic compound? Why not other elements? Reason is that carbon has some special properties which make it special for organic compounds. Today we are going to discuss all these properties. Carbon is a unique element in a sense that it forms unlimited number of compounds. What is the atomic number of carbon? The atomic number of carbon is 6. It is atomic number of carbon 6. Okay, with the 6 number of atoms, carbon has, if we look at the electronic configuration of carbon, there are 2 electrons in first shell and then remaining 4 electrons in the second shell. So valency of carbon is 4. 4 is valency of the carbon. Now there must be 8 electrons in the valence shell. So to complete the number of electrons in the valence shell, atoms combine with other atoms in different ways. There are 2 ways of making the combination. This is called the ionic bond. When 2 atoms combine or with the help of the electron, they form a bond. This is called the chemical bond. But it is called chemical bond. How many types of chemical bond are there? 2 types. Ionic bond and covalent bond. Now, ionic bond is that type of bond in which one electron of atom totally transfers to another atom, while the covalent bond is that type of bond in which sharing of electron take place. In the case of carbon, carbon shares the electron with the other atoms to make a covalent bond, and in all organic compounds there is present covalent bonding in the carbon atom. Carbon forms the covalent bond with the other carbon atom. This property allows the formation of skeleton and the fundamental framework of carbon around which organic molecules are constructed. Carbon maintains backbone may be in different forms. For example, look at this. Here is a carbon compound. Okay, there are 4 valence shell. Carbon will combine with another carbon. Here it will combine another compound carbon to make the, in this way, and here it will make a hydrogen bond, or other element like oxygen or hydroxyl may also be attached with it. So what is the formation of this type of bond? This looks like a chain. So carbon may be in the form of chain. This may be in the form of branch. For example, this is the carbon compound. What is the valency of each carbon? 4. To fulfill the valency, it has to attach with another carbon like this. There may be branching. A branch of carbon coming from here. Got my point? Here hydrogen or hydroxyl may be attached. Look at this. This carbon, there is the branching form. So this is a branched chain of the carbon. It may be in the cyclic form like this. Look at this picture. Carbon, carbon. This may be in the form of a cycle. Example is benzene. This is cyclic form of carbon. Okay, this is a cyclic form in which carbon atom may be attached. There may be present single, double or triple covalent bond in the carbon atom. For example, look at this. This is a single bond when one atom is shared with another atom. Here is a single bond. Which bond this is? This is the single bond. There may be double bond. For example, two carbon atoms attached with the two electrons sharing. This is double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Valency is complete. There may be present triple bond between the carbon atoms. Covalent bonding may be double, single or triple. This is the triple bond. But in all cases, carbon make a very long chain. There may be present thousands of carbons in one chain. So this formation of a very long chain carbon make it unable to make the large biological molecules. These are the special features of carbon which is vital for the formation of organic molecules. Organic molecules may be protein, carbohydrate, lipids and nucleic acid. In my next lecture we will learn about the protein. Now you have to learn the properties of the carbon and you also have to make your own notes. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.